Welcome to Budget Brilliance, where smart money moves pave the way to your financial freedom. Have you ever dreamed of earning money while you sleep? Imagine a steady stream of income that builds your wealth every single month. Sounds like a dream, right? Let me show you how it can become your reality. Investment properties aren't just for the wealthy, they're for anyone willing to start small and think big. But here's the secret. The earlier you start, the bigger the rewards. Why do this? It's not just about dollars, it's about securing your family's future, building a legacy, and having the freedom to live life on your terms. Step 1. Save for your down payment. Aim for at least 20%. Step 2. Research rental markets. Look for areas with high demand and low vacancy rates. Step 3. Partner with experts. Realtors, property managers, and financial advisors can guide you. You don't need to start with a mansion. A modest property could be your golden ticket to passive income and long-term wealth. Imagine turning your property into a steady source of income. It's closer than you think. Ready to take your first step? Subscribe to Budget Brilliance for more bite-sized financial wisdom.